guys, we are Virgin Hair Vietnam. Today I will share with you about burgundy hair color. If you haven't had any experience with color hair, it may be an interesting option for you. Okay, let's take a look at some suggestions for you. Let's start with bone-thread hair. A bone-thread hair with burgundy color gives you an extremely luxurious and fashionable look. Moreover, bone-thread hair is a hot trend now. Next, ombre hair with burgundy color. Ombre hair became a hot hairstyle many years ago, and after a while becoming a trend. It's had many changes with many different colors, many different tones. However, ombre hair never goes out of fashion. When an ombre hair is a combination of burgundy color and another color, you know how gorgeous it is. Okay, let's check out some of our hair products with burgundy color. A wig with natural hair and burgundy color. Another wig with natural straight hair but ombre with burgundy color. And a wavy wig or curly wig with burgundy color. And finally, feedback from my customers with burgundy color hair. Okay, that's our sharing today, and see you next time. Goodbye.